What's up, everyone? I'm in 2SC4, and today is Tuesday, April 16th, 2013, and this is another vlog video. Got a new haircut on Saturday. I like it, and I even shaved. Pretty good. If you can hear all that noise, I just fed my dogs. And, most importantly, today, I got the day off from college. I usually have history class on Tuesday and Thursdays, but the class is canceled today, so I have the day off. Woo! So I'm here all with Zach, me and Zach and I just fed these dogs. They're Scrappy eating. There's Jimmy, he's done, but I have to keep this one away from his bowl because this one will go after Scrappy's bowl. Eat! Are you eating? No, finish! There's some crumbs left. This is what I feed them. Mixed veggies. You have to feed them this because they're on a diet. You better go up. Oh, he's gone. Oh, wait, no. I have to take him outside to go potty. Come on, dogs, you want to go outside? Come on. Come on, Scrap! Alright, I'm gonna have to take him outside. What? You excited? There he goes. Where's Scrap? Okay. Scrappy! Scrappy, where you at? Come on. Come on, dog. Come on, let's go out. Let's go out. Don't you snort at me. Go. Oh! You almost fell. Let's go. Just step out that door. There you go. I'm gonna go outside with them. It's kind of a little cold outside. Kind of a little chilly. Can you pee? Oh yeah, he's peeing alright. Pee, dog! Pee like you never before. Feels good. Oh, you're done? Oh, ew! Smells really bad. Okay. Where are you going now? Where are you going? I'm gonna follow you, okay? Splash you! Oh, Jimmy! Hi. Both of you get out of there. It's kind of cold out here. It was pretty yucky the last couple of days, and now it's finally sunny. Come on, Scrap. Come on. Let's go. Jimmy, where are you going? Scrappy. Scrappy. What's your next move? Okay, you're going back to the... Come here, Jimmy! Jimmy! Come on. Jimmy? Jimmy! Ah! Whatever. Scrap, I know you want inside. Hi. Come on, Jimmy! Here he comes. Oh god, he's wild! He's going crazy! And up the stairs. Nice. Yep. Are you done or do you still need out? You're just staring there looking. Okay, fine, you're done. Alright, come on. Come on. Let's go this way. This dog is so old, he walks up the stairs slowly. Alright, so yeah. Doggy, what are you doing? I'm gonna make you sing. Jimmy? Scratch that back. Scratch that back. Scratch. My kitty, Dora. Hi. Oh, there's my other kitty. Say hi. Say hi. What? My animals. Hi. Sniff that. Yeah, sniff them. Say hi. Okay. Jimmy, you excited? What? You know I should give you dogs? Dogs want a treat? Alright, what do we got? Where are their treats? Where did I put him? Where did I put him the other day? Did I put him in here? I don't remember where I put him. Dogs, I will give you a treat. I'm going to find him first. Hi, Scrap. I think the treats are in here. No? Oh my gosh, where did I put your treats? Doggy. Jimmy! Hold on, let me... No, wrong light. I think this... Okay, right here. Where did I put... Oh, here we go. Oh, there's one left. You know what, dogs? I'm gonna have to cut this in half. Oh, sweet. Oh, no, we have another one. Never mind. I found another one. You guys want these? Ah, hey, not the camera. You can't eat the camera. I'm sorry. This is $400. Okay. Do not step in front. Okay, come on, dogs. Come on. I'll go in the kitchen. This is what I'm giving them. It's one supersized snack bone. It's a cheeseburger flavor. Alright, dogs. God, they smell. Not gonna lie, these smell pretty bad. Okay. One. There's one. Two. Okay. Jimmy, you first. Hey! Calm down. Here's yours. Scrap. Scrap. Here's yours. Here's yours. Take it. There you go. Now go have fun. Okay? You dogs have fun. Eat it. Oh yeah. Hey, Jimmy, no. Oh, Jimmy's gonna go hide this, but Scrap's having fun. He's having this bone. Oh, yes. Jimmy always worries that I'm gonna take it away from him. Is that delicious? Scrap's having fun. Alright, I'm done. Alright, I'm gonna throw these cans away. Hang on. Put that down. Oh, shit. Why is the crock pot off? I'll throw these out too. Alright. So, those are my doggies. Hi. Delicious. No, they don't like it when I watch. Watch them growl. Oh, see him slapping? Is that delicious? Oh my gosh. And there's my dog Jimmy. You're just holding it up. Delicious. Alright, I'm done here. I'm done messing around. Those are my doggies. So, yeah. Just another normal day. I just got the day off today from college and stuff. And, ooh, chocolate cake. I'm gonna have one later. Oh, yeah. Okay, anyway, so history class is canceled today. I had the day off. Pretty good. Good day so far and stuff. Just a little cold outside, but that's okay. I'm not planning on going anywhere. So, I hope you enjoyed this vlog video. Just having fun with my dogs. I'm Interested4, and have a great day for the rest of the day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!